and my SD card is not showing none of the pictures, so it is saying unable to display. So to resolve this, this is what you have to do. So you go into settings, you scroll all the way to where the briefcase is on top. It's right above right here. And you go, to 6. It's 6 out of 7, so you go to 6 part of this section, and then you scroll down to recover image database. Recover image DB. Select that. Make sure that the SD card is in slot 1. Select that. Then they're gonna say check image database file. Hit enter. It's checking, and it's gonna show that there's an error. Image database file error. Recover time 58 seconds. To recover, you just continue and click enter. Let it run. Complete. Click OK. And that's it. Just take a picture and see the image. That's it.